What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click up my canal. So today I'm going to do a hair mask. So this is the hair mask that I'm using. I picked this up at a TK Maxx. I picked it up for €5, €4.99, but the actual price is €15.50. So I pick up 2 bottles and I use the one, and I really like this hair mask, especially if you are relaxing your hair, because when you know you're putting relaxer on your hair, you're putting chemicals on your hair, which is not good for your hair, but we're doing it anyway. So if you want to minimize breakage, you really want to strengthen your hair, and you want your hair to still feel strong, you want to put all the nutrients that you are taking out of your hair when you're relaxing. You just want to balance your hair. You don't want your hair to break. You want your hair to stay moisturized. You want your hair to grow and look strong. Stuff like this is very nice. So you can do it naturally, or you can pick something like this and give it a try. So I just finished wash my hair. I just kind of soak it a little bit so that it's easy for it to apply. So now I'm just going to take my hair mask. I'm just going to rub it on my head like this. I'm just going to rub it just like the way you rub a moisturizer. And I try to make a lot of my own DIY, especially when I'm relaxing my hair. I am planning also this week, before ever I do a protective hairstyle, because you guys know I try as much not to manipulate my hair these days. So I'm going to also do aloe vera gel and egg hair mask. I also want to do those before ever I go in for a protective hairstyle, because when I do a protective hairstyle, it's going to last for at least a month before ever I will take my hair off. If I did a braid, depends, because sometimes when I'm relaxing my hair days, I don't really want to play with my hair a lot. I just want to let the hair relax. I really want the hair to feel good, relax, and feel free. So I don't want to play with my hair a lot when I'm relaxing my hair. Reasons why I try to do a month of protective hairstyle. I'm just going to massage it. I need a little bit here at the back. And also I'm going to massage the product into my hair. Make sure that everywhere is coated with the product. I did a relaxer hair video and show you guys how I mix my relaxer. I add a little bit of oil into my relaxer. So if you guys have not seen that video, I would advise you guys to go and check that video. It's really helpful if you're relaxing. I feel like my hair feels even much more better. So you can have this on for a week. Except for a week. You can have your relaxer in for at least your hair mask. What am I going today? I don't really understand what is happening. You can have your hair mask in for 30 minutes to an hour. For me right now, it's late at night, so I'm going to leave it on for an hour. I'm going to try to edit some videos, do a few things, and then I'm going to wash it out, take a shower, and go to bed. And then tomorrow I will style, moisturize, and do all of that, because it's late at night. So do this once a week. And make sure you oil your hair and strengthen your hair also. You know, if you're going to be putting a protective hairstyle like I do for a month, do a lot of rosemary hairspray. Try to do that. I've been using my hair grow oil on my edges, and I must say it's pretty good. Yeah, it's going good. So now that everywhere is coated, just quickly going to wash my hand. I'm using one hand because I'm having issue with this hand. It's kind of painy, so I don't want to put it on the water. Just want to avoid water touching this hand, so that's the reason I'm not really like using it. I'm going to take a plastic bag. It's easy to just wrap your hair in a plastic bag and then throw it away. Put it in a plastic container. So I'm just going to wrap. Okay, so put this one, and then I'm going to put my shower cap for extra heat. So guys, I'm going to leave this one for 30 minutes, and then I will be back after I wash it off. If it's not too late, if it's too late, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. But if it's not too late, I'll be back to show you guys how my hair is looking like. But yeah, if you are relaxing your hair, try this. You will love it. Trust me, it's very, very good when you're relaxing your hair because you're using so much bad chemical. Relaxing is not good for your hair. I know this. People tell me every time, why you go back to relax your hair? Just grow your natural hair. Yeah, I know relaxer is not good, but I just like it. I just want something different, okay? You think I didn't know? You think I don't know? I know. I just want to do it. Just like how you know that McDonald's is not good for you, but you still go there. That's the same thing. But yeah, try this if you're relaxing your hair to minimize breakage, to keep your hair healthy and strong. I love this, and it's very for frizzy hair. It's very, very good. Actually, it is very, very, and it has a really great ingredient. First ingredient is water. Always beautiful. Like really, really nice thing, avocado. Some of this thing I can't really pronounce, but I see some really great ingredient in here. So yeah, I really, really love it. So if you guys want to keep your hair healthy, you want your hair strong, try this. Leave it in for 30 minutes to an hour, rinse it out, and then you can go and style your hair whatever way you want to style it. So TeamFullest, stay tuned for the finished results. So I'm now washing the hair mask off my head. Oh, if my hair feels so good. Yeah, my hair feels really good. Feels really soft, really nice, feels really good. Even though it's relaxed, but it does feels really, really good. I'm just gonna take this hair towel just to like press, get the excess water off my hair. I'm also going to let my hair air dry on its own naturally if I'm looking on the side, because I'm trying to look at the mirror, but you guys can see my hair feels really good. My hair feels really, really good. So now I'm just going to wrap it with this one again. just wrap it. Let it dry off. I'm going to show you guys my moisturizer. If you guys have watched my last video, I show you guys how I mix my moisturizer because my hair is very dry and my hair needs a lot of moisture. So what I did, I added some few oils into my moisturizer. I added some extra shea butter, extra coconut oil, the yellow shea butter, the white one. I kind of add extra of those things into my moisturizer and mix it. And now everything has cooled down. Let me show you guys how. So this is the moisturizer. It looks yellow because I added some yellow shea butter, some coconut oil, extra olive oil, extra avocado oil, and now this is what the moisturizer is looking like. It is very good because I really have a dry hair, so it's very good. Let me just take a little bit and just try to rub it. It has like extra moist. It's very soft. It has a lot of extra moist, which I really like. So this is what my moisturizer is actually for my hair, not for my skin. So this is what it's looking like. And I use this for my hair, for the kids' hair. It's very beautiful. Yeah, so now I'm just going to leave my hair to dry on its own, and then I'm going to moisturize my hair and then style my hair. So guys, this is the finished results. I hope you all like this video. I think the water has dried up now. So now I'm just going to allow it to hair dry. And since I've been actually doing this, I've actually noticed less shedding. My hair doesn't really shed. My hair doesn't really shed that much. It doesn't break that much. The only thing is that I really have to focus on my edges right now and trying to grow out my edges. But yeah, so far so good. I love the way my hair is, so it feels so good. So now I'm just going to allow it to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to moisturize it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.